In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture in a shape on Google Slides. This is a great way to add creative flair to your presentations and make them stand out. Whether you're preparing for a school project, a business presentation, or just adding an additional touch to a personal slideshow, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and transform your slides with just a few easy steps. First off, what you're going to do is open your Google Slides presentation. If you haven't started one yet, don't worry, you can create a new presentation by heading to Google Slides through your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the specific slide where you plan to insert your image. Now to insert an image, head over to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Image and you'll be given several options such as uploading a picture from your computer or searching the web for an image. Pick the option that suits you best and select your desired photo. This will place the image directly onto your slide. Once your image is added to the slide, you'll want to click on it to select it. You'll notice a border appear around the image, indicating that it's selected. Selecting the image is an important step because it's how we tell Google Slides that we want to make changes to this particular photo. Next, let's add your shape. On the Google Slides toolbar, you'll see an icon that looks like a cropping tool. It's usually represented by a little box with a diagonal line going through it, resembling a pair of scissors, but you want to click the drop-down arrow next to this crop icon. Then select Shape from the list that appears. Now comes the fun part, choosing your shape. You have a wide array of options from circles and stars to triangles and more. Simply click on your desired shape and voila, your image will instantly morph into this shape. This change happens right before your eyes and adds a unique, polished look to your presentation. And there you have it, your image now fits perfectly inside the shape you picked, adding a creative and engaging element to your slide. With just a few clicks, you've elevated the visual appeal of your presentation. Now you can continue to experiment with different images and shapes to fully customize your slides. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to be creative with your presentations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital tools.